All right, perform the translation t -8, -8. All right, so what that means is they want you to move it -8 steps in the x direction and -8 steps in the y direction, or 8 steps to the left. Okay, remember left is negative, and 8 for the x, and 8 steps down. Remember, down is negative for the y. Okay, so I just went in order to copy the shape, I'm just going to click on it. That copies it. Okay, and then I'm going to move it back 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then down 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you wanted to, you could just plot and draw the points exactly there. Okay, so if I was to do that, let me just erase those points. There's the A. Oops. Okay, so if we're going to go back 8 from 6, that's going to give us -2, and down 8 from 10 is +2. So I'm just going to click there. There's the A point. The B point is going to be one above that, and the C point is going to be, so we're here, we're going back 8 from 6, and that's going to bring us to, from 6, right, from 4, so that's going to bring us to -4, and then down 8 from 6 is going to bring us down to -2. Just like that, okay? So you can plot to draw the points, but it's a lot easier just to click on it. It'll copy, and then you drag it where you want. In any case, that's our answer. Okay, here we're being asked to do a translation again, -12, -12. So, okay, so the easiest way is click. You can drag it to wherever you want it to go, or you can just use your arrow keys, which I'm going to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 steps to the left, 12 steps in the negative x, in the x direction, and 12 steps, negative steps in the y direction, so 12 steps down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like that. Okay? All right, here's a different notation. Perform the translation. X, Y is mapped onto, this is called mapping notation. So the x becomes x take away 3. Okay, so the x was what it was, but then minusing 3. So we're going to go back 3 in the x direction. And the y values, we're adding 15 to all the y values. So the y values are all going to go up 15. Okay, so we're going back 3, 1, 2, 3, and then up 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, like that. Okay, what you could also do, what you could also do is drag it, okay, like the A is at 1, so if I go back 3, I'm going to be at -2, okay, like that, and then drag it up. I'm at -5, if I go up 15, I'm going to be at +10. Okay, so you can use your integer math to figure out where it's going to go, and that can be a lot faster than just pressing that arrow all the time. Okay, here's another mapping notation. X plus 4, y plus 5, so I'm going to go 4 in the positive direction, 1, 2, 3, 4 for the x, and then 5 in the positive direction for the y, which is going to bring us right up to the x-axis. Okay, here's something new. Perform the translation described by the arrow. This is an arrow translation. Now look at the tail we're going from the tail of the arrow to the head of the arrow. Now what has the arrow done? The arrow has moved over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps to the right, and then it's gone all the way up. It's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 steps. So we're going to go over 5 and up 15. That's what the arrow does, so we're going to do the same. Over 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Notice the arrow is parallel to these little lines that connect the C to the C prime. Okay? Okay, here's another arrow translation. And so what we're doing is we're starting at the tail, and we want to get to the head. And we can only move left, right, up, down. Okay? So how many steps left would you have to move, or right, sorry, left, right, would you have to move to get from the tail of the arrow to the head of the arrow? Well, I'd have to move over from 3 to 10, that's 7 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then from 11 down to 3. Okay, so that would be 8 steps down. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing with the shape. So click on the shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What are we saying? 3, 4, 5, 6. From 3 to 10 is 7. And then down 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like that. All right, and that's how you do translations. Have a good day.